We'll start in Mickey's Mainsail, the store with the standard Disney branded merch. Let's look around and see what they have.
Disney Parks Uno. See this?
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, that's cool.
I like it.
I like it too.
This store has t-shirts and toys, trinkets, sweatshirts, ears, postcards, magnets and coffee cups, even luggage. And a lot of it is Disney Cruise branded.
Oh, that's cool. It has the date.
Except they waited too long. They only have extra large and extra large.
Oh.
How far did you get? Mommy, I'm over here. Mama!
That's almost like a
That's why
long
they say
sleeve
that
shirt.
you're always supposed to buy them on the first date. Well,
That is one tip we have heard before but neglected to follow. If you are certain that you want some cool, unique merch, make sure to get to the store early, like on the first or second day, or they could be out of it by the time you get there. They have limited quantities.
Should I get it in a small or a medium?
you want to try one?
Oh yeah, I guess I can do that.
That is so fun.
Jackson, you and all your stuff in your hands.
I don't have pockets. I have an excuse for holding it in my hands. I don't have pockets.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I thought you bought it the other day.
No, I didn't buy anything.
What is that?
I'll try it on with this hanger.
Look at these ears, baby. You don't need more ears.
Let's see. Turn around. Oh, that's very cool.
Small or medium?
How's that feel?
You got some room to grow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
Probably a medium would be too big.
I think a medium would be too big.
Okay.
Okay. I guess we're getting a sweatshirt and a
And a magnet.
We also wanted to get some pins since they have some unique Disney Cruise Line pins on the cruise ship.
Where's this one?
They supposedly have pin trading boards at the stores.
Yeah.
Did you trade?
No, all our trading pins are on the board on our door. You get that one?
Can I? May
Sure.
I?
Yep, that one's cool.
15.
Lastly, we had to get an ornament for our Disney Christmas tree.
Should we get another Disney Wonder ship?
The one that says no. Get one that says 2023 on it.
This one's cute.
It's Christmas.
It's an ornament.
Yeah, I guess that's right. But it doesn't say 2023 on it.
Yeah, the ears ones do.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's neat too. It has the cruise logo on it.
What's it gonna be?
Yeah, which one?
That one? That one? Or that
All right.
one?
Does that one say Wonder on it? No?
No.
That's okay.
This one doesn't either, though. And neither does this one.
Are we gonna get this one? Or do you like this one? Oh, this one's cute.
Turn it around. What's on the back?
That's cute. That's a cute ornament.
Yeah.
Which one do you like better?
We already have the ship.
We have that ship.
Yeah.
But it's still the ship. I think this one's more unique.
I think
Plus,
we should get the ears.
It says 2023 on it.
Okay. Sounds
All
good.
right.
There you
Whitecaps is the fancier end store, with dresses, resort shirts, jewelry, sunglasses, handbags, perfume, art, watches, and partner branded merchandise from brands like Chanel, Tommy Bahama, Pandora, Tiffany, and Tag Heuer.
I went there last week. That's also by you. I didn't like it when I moved it up. Senior too.
Wow, I love it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Good luck.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
One more tip. Even though they don't give a discount for magic key holders in the cruise ships, if you have a Disney Rewards Visa, you can get a 10% discount if you use it to buy your merchandise. Thanks for joining us to browse some of the merch in the Disney Wonder stores. Please give us a like and a subscribe. It's free for you and it helps us out. Leave a comment and check out some of our other videos.